a picture?
I want you to keep entertaining Colby, please. Talk to Colby.
Elsie.
Are you cold? Your feet are very cold. Talk to Colby. Make him laugh.
Hey,
Colby's coming up to talk to you again, okay?
Yes. Yes.
I'll hold it.
No, you entertain Colby and I'll let you see it. Entertain Colby. Sneeze. Don't blow your nose. Where's Colby? Si, go over there and talk to Colby. Do it again. Do it again. Go talk to him and sneeze. Do it again.
Elsie.
Well, if you go over there and make him laugh, I'll show it to you.
Elsie.
Sneeze. Sneeze in front of Colby. Sneeze, 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 sneeze.